I'm still here at Tapioca Express where I'm still here at Tapioca Express and I'm about to... Sorry, go again. I'm here at Tapioca Express. I'm here at Tapioca Express. I can't say tapioca. And also when it was time to do the Asia video, I sat down with the choreographer and wanted the dancing and the costumes to reflect that too. Okay, sorry, I can't read. The next song is a very old new wave song by Gina T that I wanted to remake. So I asked Dan to make it as Japanese and Asian as possible. So we sat down and found a way to make it kind of a fun Japanese dance song. The Asia video also reflected that with the costumes and the strange dance concept. And since my latest album had a very anime feel to it, I wanted to have a song that reflected that. So this is my fantasy, fun and colorful. The song was a lot of hard work, but I think everything turned out great. The song is In My Fantasy.
Watashi no Gensou no sekai e youkoso. 今でもあなたのことしか考えられない。いつもあなたの夢を見るの。